Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the mouth harmonica. First, let's get comfortable. Hold your harmonica gently, using your thumb and index finger, ensuring the holes face directly towards you. This position allows for easy access. Now, relax your lips and form a loose, comfortable seal around about 3 or 4 holes. Don't press too hard. A gentle touch is key for a clear sound. This initial setup is crucial for building a good foundation for your playing. Now, let's focus on breathing and producing single notes. It's important to breathe from your diaphragm, not your chest, for a steady and controlled airflow. Next, pucker your lips, almost as if you are sipping through a straw, to isolate just one hole on the harmonica. Gently blow and then draw air through that single hole. Aim for a clear, distinct note each time. Practice this until you can consistently produce individual, clean sounds. Once you can play clear single notes, you are ready to create simple melodies. Begin by learning basic scales, moving your mouth smoothly across adjacent holes, alternating between blowing and drawing. Experiment with different sequences of notes to start forming tunes. A great way to begin is by trying familiar, easy songs like Mary Had a Little Lamb or Ode to Joy. This helps you understand how notes combine to make music. For a more advanced technique, let's briefly touch on note bending. Bending allows you to change the pitch of a note by subtly altering your mouth shape and tongue position while drawing air. To practice, try drawing air while dropping your jaw slightly and pulling your tongue back in your mouth. This creates a unique, expressive, and often bluesy sound. Mastering bending adds incredible depth and emotion to your harmonica playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.